Hello class, good morning or good afternoon, how are you? So today we're gonna talk about the comparative diagram, okay? Comparative diagram. Okay, so first of all, what is that, teacher? ¿Qué es eso de comparative diagram? Okay, a comparative diagram is used to compare, como la palabra lo dice, comparative diagram, to compare two topics. Estos topics, it could be about anything, okay? For example, people, animals, jobs, places, cities, anything, okay? Anything. So, okay, that's a comparative diagram. Okay, ¿cómo se ve un comparative diagram? It looks like this. Tal vez tú lo has visto en tu clase Spanish o en tu clase de Science. So, a comparative diagram, okay, is formed by two circles, okay? In the first circle, you write the first topic and you write the information about the topic. For example, si quieres escribir about dogs, here goes the information about the dogs, okay? And in the second topic, if you want to talk about cats, here goes the information about cats, okay? So, en el primer circle, in the blue circle, escribimos la información de nuestro primer topic, nuestro primer tema, el que sea. Y en el segundo, the information from the second topic, okay? In the middle, alright, in the middle, donde los two circles, they get together, okay? Se juntan, there goes the same or similar information, okay? In that place, you are going to write the information that is similar between the two topics, okay? En la parte del medio se escribe la información que es igual o similar de tus dos topics, es decir, lo que tienen en común, okay? Let's see an example, okay? So, let's see an example between Mexico City and New York City, okay? So, digamos que en Mexico City, the Papalote Children's Museum is a place to learn and make technological experiments. That's a place in Mexico City, right? Another activity or another place is the Chapultepec Park and has a lake and a zoo. And Xochimilco is beautiful, full of trees and flowers. That's the information of Mexico City. Now let's see the information of New York City, okay? Okay, in New York City, the American Museum of Natural History is great to learn about animals and history, okay? The American Museum of Natural History is great to learn, para aprender, to learn about animals and history. There is a wildlife center in Central Park, and in Central Park there are lots of statues. The most popular is the Alice in Wonderland statue. In the center, we are going to write the similarities, okay? In the center, the similarities between these two cities, okay? Vamos a verlas. Similarities, okay? Well, a similarity, o algo que comparten estas dos cities, okay, is that both places have museums. Both places have museums. Ambos lugares tienen museums. Both places. Both places. Si no quisieras escribir both places, puedes escribir both cities. ¿Ok? Si estás hablando sobre animals, both animals. Si estás hablando sobre people, both people. ¿Ok? Ambas. ¿Ok? Ok. So you are going to complete the missing similarities, okay? Here, there is missing one similarity, okay? En este comparative diagram falta que tú escribas, que tú completes similitud entre Mexico City and New York City. ¿Puedes saber cuál es esa similitud between Mexico City and New York City? Esa será tu primera activity, okay? You need to make the circles in your notebook and you need to copy the information and write the missing similarity, okay? Tienes que hacer esta activity en tu notebook, agregar la información que es similar, lo que falta, la similitud, okay? Tu second activity is going to be about the unit product, okay? Ya falta poquito para que empecemos nuestro unit product, así que vamos a hacer un pedacito de nuestro unit product para empezar a construirlo, okay? So, the stage number 1 of the unit product is that you need to choose 2 places that you really like. 2 places that you really like. Pueden ser, por ejemplo, two beaches, 2 playitas, 2 cities, maybe 2 archaeological sites, 2 zoos, 2 aquariums, but 2 places, okay? It could be a city that you visit before, right? Puede ser una ciudad que ya hayas visitado, maybe on vacations or something. Or it could be a place or a city that you want to visit. Que tú quieres, that you want to visit. Aunque no haya sido antes, but you want to visit. Okay? The second step is to write at least 3 sentences about that place or about that city. Okay? It could be a famous place to see, an activity to do, information about that place, okay? Como second, you need to write at least 3 sentences. Como segunda activity, en esta misma de unit product, tienes que escribir al menos 3 sentences de cada place, okay? Puede ser a famous place, for example, a touristic place, an activity to do en esa ciudad o en ese lugar, or information about that place. I'm going to show you an example, okay? Okay, so I want to choose, okay, yo ya elegí, I want to choose 2 cities, Mérida and Washington, ¿sí? El punto número 1 era elegir 2 cities o 2 places, okay? Si tú no quieres que sea una city, tú quieres que sea for example, 2 zoos, 2 zoológicos, o 2 beaches, o 2 playas, it's okay. Como ejemplo, yo te pongo Mérida and Washington, ¿ok? So, ya elegí qué lugar quiero, ¿sí? Mérida and Washington. Now, el siguiente punto es que yo tengo que escribir al menos 3 sentences sobre cada place. Okay, about Mérida, well, Mérida is the capital of Yucatan. The Centenario Zoo is very big and beautiful y está en Mérida. And you can visit the Cathedral San Ildefonso. And you can visit Mayan archaeological sites. Okay, aquí están mis enunciados, my sentences. Okay, fíjate cómo los escribí. Puedo utilizar you can visit, o un poco de información sobre ese lugar, ¿sí? Recuerda que al menos 3 sentences, ¿ok? Ahora voy a escribir sobre Washington. Well, Washington, D.C. is the capital of United States. You can visit the National Smithsonian Museum. You can visit the White House. And you can walk in the National Mall and look all the monuments, okay? So here is the first stage of my unit product. Este sería the first stage de nuestro unit product, okay? Something like that you are going to do in your notebook. Algo como esto es lo que tú harás en tu notebook. ¿Okay? Te vuelvo a repetir. You need to choose 2 places. Hay que elegir 2 lugares. Y sobre esos 2 lugares tienes que escribir al menos 3 sentences, 3 enunciados de cada city o de cada lugar. ¿Okay? And that's it. Alright? That's it. See you later, alligator. Bye bye.